Hello friends, next important topic is dimensioning in your engineering graphics. There are two methods. First is aligned system and another is unidirectional system. In aligned system, the dimension is placed perpendicular to the dimension line in such a way that it may read from the bottom edge. It may read from the bottom edge and the dimension should be placed above the line. It should be placed above the line. And in a unidirectional system, all dimensions are placed that they can read from the bottom edge. It is also from read from bottom edge. The dimension line are broken. It should be broken and near the middle. It should be broken near the middle and write down the dimension. There are two methods, that is aligned method and unidirectional method. How to draw the arrows? This is the way to you have to draw the arrow. This distance should be w. If this is w, then this distance should be 3w. This is the correct way to draw the arrows. These are the incorrect ways, means you cannot draw like that. This is the incorrect way, this is the right way. We will take the example how to draw the arrow. This is the line where we have to draw the arrow. You must come back 1/3 distance and the distance should be in this line should be exactly perpendicular and draw the arrows. You should have come back to the 1/3 distance. If this distance is w, then this distance should be 3w. In this way you can draw the arrow. We just drawn the same two figures, front view and top view, front view and top view. How to give the dimension to both the figures with aligned system and unidirectional system, we will see one by one. This is our first. So by aligned system, take the parallel extension line, draw the arrow as explained earlier. This is 95. Always write above that line 95. Now extend the line. This is with aligned system. This is 40 above the line. Draw the arrows. This distance is 25, that is also above the line. Extend the line. This distance is 40. This distance is 40. Now to this circle, this is 525, means diameter of the circle is 525. You have to show like that. The diameter, it shows the diameter of the circle 25. This dimension is shown by aligned system. Now we will see how to draw with the unidirectional system. Same figure we have drawn here. This dimension is 95. With unidirectional system, draw the arrow. Then broken line 95 in the middle. Here this distance is 40, this distance is 25, broken line. "25" like that, and 40 should be like that. Here 40, this 95, 40, 25, and 40. Now showing the dimension of this circle, diameter of this circle, 525. In this fashion, you can show the dimension with aligned system, and you can show the dimension with the unidirectional system. There are two important features in dimensioning in your engineering graphics. Thank you.